Alrighty, Losi DB Pro, Tenacity DB Pro to be precise. (2S) and first jump, it ends badly. I might just check my AVC because I'm noticing it's got a little bit of a wobble, and I think when it got airborne then it played a bit of a part in it. You can see how it's correcting itself. We are on 2S, stock gearing, handles good. I mean, I have been told that this thing does handle pretty well. Tires are grippy. Plenty of power from that 5000 milliamp 30C Spectrum battery. And yeah, it's working well. But I might just pause for a little bit. I'm going to see if I can turn down this AVC. I'm not happy with what it's doing. Okay, so I put my throttle down to 10% and my steering input down to 20%. So it should have much less input. Yes, I can feel it already. It's driving way better like this. And you can see that I can actually get sideways because the throttle is not being interfered with. See? Hey, these tires grip. These tires are good. I'm glad because I didn't want to, let's try that jump again. Much better. I didn't want to have to change these wheels out because it does look good with the stock setup. It looks fantastic. I'm happy. Yeah, this is good. Much better this way. It's amazing, right? Like, I had it just on default. I hadn't really changed anything because I'm using my DX5C, and I just left it as it was. Oh, so much nicer. I mean, AVC is great technology. I really do like it, but at the same time, I think it interferes too much. And on a four-wheel drive vehicle, especially something that handles as well as this is handling and drives as well as this does, it's totally unnecessary. And if you are buying a DB Pro, and emphasis on the word Pro, why would you need some kind of gyro anyway? You should know already how to drive. I don't know, I'm just saying, like, it's like, I don't know, getting your license and then going out and buying a freaking McLaren or something like that. You know what I mean? Like, start off small. Learn to walk before you can run. And when you're at the stage where you can run, you don't need all this driver assist business. And although I've got it a little bit on there, yeah, it's really unnecessary still. Just think, oh, hang on, I got a stick somewhere. Creating some kind of buzzing sound. Ah, there it is, look at it, it's massive. Hang on. Here we go. Alright, got rid of that. Doesn't have a lot of punch out of the hole. Let's bring it out here again and let's try that again because it seemed like it had a little bit of a hesitation. Alright, punch. Yeah, you can see it, yeah? Like, it just doesn't. 1, 2. Yeah, it kind of struggles. But this is on 2S, stock gearing. It's probably set up like that so the motor doesn't cop a heart attack when you pin the throttle off a standstill. Yeah, this is good. This drives really good. All right, let's go on the track and do some jumps. Alrighty. I tell you what, like for 2S, stock out of the box, it's no speed demon, but it's not slow. Wow, that jump's so good. I'm impressed. First jump, already liking it. Let's see if we can keep it going. Wow, it's quiet. I haven't driven a 10 scale in a while. These things are quiet without, you know, massive metal gears everywhere and mod 1 gearing. So we have a lot of wind, in case you can't tell. It's quite windy, and it's coming from there actually. So when we do go to the big jump, we're going to be going against the wind, and that's if we can make it there. I don't know if it's even worth going to the big one because we're only on 2S. Yeah, jumps real nice and even. Slight nose up attitude, which is what you want. You don't want to be recovering this thing and pinning the throttle to try and keep that nose up. So very nicely balanced. Yeah, beautiful. Jumps so good. Just keep a neutral throttle when you're in the air. You don't have to keep it pinned. Don't hit the brakes. Just let everything roll. Just neutralize your throttle, and it jumps really well. So nice. Really, really good. Impressive. This on a nice racetrack. Oops, that was my bad. This on a nice racetrack would do exceptionally well, even with these stock tires. It's just, oh, it's so nice to control. I'm seriously impressed. The more I drive this car, the more I like it. Yeah, very well composed. Recovers well, stays in a straight line. Tires grip on all terrain. So far, they grip beautifully on this gravel. And then when you get on the grass, it's just like it's on rails. It's quiet, it's quick enough. This thing is just really nicely done. Yeah, I just keep repeating those 3 jumps. It's so easy to keep in a straight line and drive. It's, yeah, impressive. All right, let's turn up the heat a little bit and let's see what we can do on the big jump. See, it's just that wasn't full speed too, by the way. I was just sort of making sure I was lining up okay. We'll try one at full speed here. Full speed. Oh, sorry. That kind of came rather sudden. All right, so not enough speed on 2S to clear the doubles. So there's no point in going into the big jump, I don't think. I'll just try and come off a bit of an angle here. That's it. So that way we can land on the grass. Yeah, look. This, for somebody that doesn't have big jumps like this is perfect. If you've got big jumps like this, like, yeah, it'll do it, but it's not the same as running a big 8 scale on 6S. This is perfect for if you have a smaller track maybe. Actually, speaking of which, let's change this up. Let's go to a different location. Let's try this over here. It's much smaller. And you can try and keep it on the track here. Oh, missing. Come on. This is really fun to drive around here. I'm not even joking. This is perfect. For this scale of car, this is perfect. And it goes good for 2S. Rock stock. Stock as a rock. Box stock, you know what I mean. I'm just enjoying it. So fun. Handles so nice. So composed. So easy to recover. Suspension. Oh, is that LVC? Are you joking? It's a 5000 milliamp. Oh, well, that's sad. Okay, let's get 3S.